So what do we do here at My Computer Works? Well, we make computer problems like viruses, spyware, email issues, and slowness all just go away. And we do it in a way that's quick, convenient, and easy on your wallet. So how are we different from those other guys? Well, if you've ever had computer problems before, you know the process. Unplug all your cables, pack everything up, drive somewhere, drop it off, pay a bunch of money, wait a week, drive back, pick it up, take it home, plug everything back in, and make sure the problem was fixed. And if not, of course, you go through that whole process again. The only step you have to take with My Computer Works? Call us. That's it. You just call us, we connect to your computer through the magic of the internet, and we fix your computer problems while you watch. Well, you don't have to watch, of course. In fact, feel free to go have lunch, read the newspaper, and just enjoy your day while we take care of your computer for you. If you do want to watch us work, though, you can see every single step we take, every mouse movement, and every keystroke. In fact, it's a shared connection, so you still have control of your computer if you wish to end the session or disconnect the technician for any reason. We take security very seriously, from our extremely thorough technician hiring process to our quality assurance team. The connection itself is also encrypted and secure. Plus, we can't connect to your computer unless you specifically allow it. Okay, so here's the best part. We're open 7 days a week, and you can call us as often as you need. Even if you just have a simple question or you just need some advice on what printer to buy, just ask us. You might call it a silly question, but we think of it as an opportunity to educate. Call as often as you need for whatever you need, and we'll take care of you. My Computer Works. Does yours?